Alright, I'd like to tell you something. Right here is some sort of planet. That's the sun right up here. This is what's behind the sun. Let me see if I can get that glare off of there. That right there, where my finger is, that is the reflection of the camera or something. Some sort of reflection. Over here in this corner, later on, it'll be bright orange, red, green. It'll just be all kinds of colors through there. But if you notice right here, this big one, as the time goes, you watch, there'll be a spot. Once you see that spot, keep an eye on the time, and you look at the spot. As it comes down, you'll see it. That's if they don't get to it before it happens. Looks like the clouds are going the other way, so we'll see. These are my settings right down here in the corner. I play with the contrast and the saturation, and that's why the colors look a little funny. But that's the only way you can get those to show. More to come. Lens flare, that's what that is. That's what that would be considered, a lens flare right there. That is no lens flare. Lens flares don't get clouds in front of them. But look at that, it is so big. And all I did was use a camera system. Security camera, pointed 2 of them up in the sky. 2 around the house where I needed them. Ooh, don't that look like a devil or something? A little horn up there, little eye, mouth, nose, like the devil. He's probably in there too. Do you see how cloudy it's getting now? Well, on a lighter note, this is what our fake sun looks like. Watch the little dot. This is a whole nother camera system. Watch the little dot. Right there.